Okay, so we're going to look at adding decimals, and then we'll look at subtracting. They do follow the same rules, but I will make them into two separate videos. Okay, so there are three things that we're going to do when we add decimals. The first thing we're going to do is line them up. This means that we're going to line up the decimals. The next step is we're going to fill them up. So this means we're going to fill in any empty spaces so that all the numbers have friends, and we're going to fill them up with the placeholder zeros. And then last but not least is we're going to add them up. And that's as simple as it is, adding. All right, so let's look at an example here. So example is going to be, what if I said 3 and 308 thousandths plus 1 and 7 tenths. Okay, so step one says we're going to line them up. So when we're going to add decimals, we're going to stack them on top of each other and line up our decimals. So then our problem would look like 3. Make sure we're nice and neat with the work. So the decimal has to go here. So now I need to make sure my numbers line up with my decimal. So the 1 is to the left of the decimal, the 7 is to the right. So that is lining them up. Next is to fill them up. So that means any empty spaces. We want all of our numbers to have a buddy. We're going to fill it up with placeholder zeros, and now we're ready to add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 7 is 10. We're going to carry that 1. 3, 4, 5. And our decimal comes straight down in our answer. Boxed, nice and neat.